The holidays are upon us, and I love nothing more than changing out my throw pillow covers. I think it's a really lovely, subtle addition to holiday decor and something you can do before the holidays really kick into high gear to kind of subtly lean that way. So I'm thrilled that DWR gifted me their luxury holiday themed throw pillow covers. Let's check these out. Now, I asked them for two different sets, the Christmas trees set and the green dot set, as I wanted complementary pillowcases to go wonderfully with each other, interchangeable. These are 18 by 18 pillowcase covers, which you can certainly put on an 18 by 18 pillow or a 20 by 20 pillow if you really want to poof it up. And this is lovely. It is this really soft chenille fabric, and then the stitching of the tree is both subtle and very inviting. That is super cool. It looks like there's one big tree here, and then potentially, yeah, this little tree down at the bottom as well, which is really sweet. And then it does have a hidden zipper along the bottom with the matching color handle. I love that. And then the inside, that's exactly what I want to see. Really nice stitching, almost felt backed. It looks like it is double stitched throughout, so this should hold up really, really nice. And this is going to feel good to sit against. Nothing about this is hard, and the backside is just a simple, clean backside. So it'll look great both ways. And what's fun about this set is it's not the exact same, because the other one is a bunch of little Christmas trees. So you can mix and match these alone already. They're so cute. But then on top of that, I did get the green dots, and this is even softer. The back side of it is velvety soft, and then the front side has this very fun stitching of different colors of green, and it looks like the darker green in it matches these pillows, so it subtly complements them. It's not so obvious, which I really like, though even though they are different fabrics, the back colors are quite comparable. Not the exact same either, but I really do like that. I think there's something to say for everything being in the same color wave, color range, but not exactly the same, because then you can get too matchy-matchy. So really nice here. Again, let me find that zipper. It's such a hidden zipper. I'm not even finding it. There it is. It's that same dark green handle. And inside this one, you can see that the front side is just the weave. It doesn't have a backing on it. That should be fine, but that's something to keep in mind, is that this is not as protected, though it also lets me see that it's very well stitched, really nice and solid. And then the back is really nice and clean too. And they do actually have cleaning directions. It looks like you can hand wash these and tumble dry low. Now I'd probably lean towards just hand wash and air dry if you need to, but you can do that. And with the green dot, these are the same. So these are more of your complementary back throw pillow covers. Now let me go find some pillows and set these up. Now I have 4 pillows to stuff. 3 of them are 18 by 18s, and I also have a 20 by 20. You can see that right now I'm in the more neutral blue to gray range, so I'm really excited to go with the green range for the holidays. I'm gonna start with this Christmas tree, as I really want to see this on a pillow. And that is fantastic. It is so cute. Let me do all of these and then I'll show you them on my couch. And I absolutely love them on my couch. This is a 20 by 20 pillow, and it just has a little more poof going on to it. And gosh, is this cover lovely, super, super soft. And even this section, none of it is hard. It just feels really nice, and it feels like it will really hold up. I am not being gentle with it, and nothing is coming apart. The stitching is clean throughout, and they really do look great together as well. Now this, I think, is a 20 by 20 as well, but this is an 18 by 18. You can see that it's just a little more empty, so it would be better to do 20 by 20s. Usually sizing up is better, but when you make it a little bit smaller, it'll give you just a different look. So there's that, but those two look so complimentary. And of course, while I think this is designed to see this side, it's a beautiful side that is nice to sit against. The back side of it is really quite nice too. So you can go a little more green if you want to, though I think that's probably too much green. And yes, I only put 3 on my couch as that seemed like all my couch needed. So the other one is all on its own over here. These are fantastic as standalone pillows as well. If you are looking for some great holiday throws that are both beautiful, very clearly holiday, yet still subtle, I'm really impressed with these, and I'm thrilled that DWR gifted them to me.